Students learn best when learning experiences are designed to meet their individual needs. Teachers can now create preset student groups within their Seesaw classes to make differentiation even easier. Setting up student groups is super simple. Just navigate to your class settings by tapping the wrench icon. Scroll down to the Students section and tap Manage Student Groups. Enter a group name and tap Add Student Group. Select the names of the students you would like to add to the group and tap the green check. Here you can also edit your group icon, name, or delete your student group. Student groups allows teachers to easily assign differentiated activities for students based on their academic needs or learning styles. One way you can use student groups is to create groups by subject. You can set up your reading, math, and writing groups all in Seesaw. For example, set up leveled reading groups to support students during reading centers or independent reading time. Create differentiated activities that support the various levels of readers and schedule them to be assigned during your daily reading block. Once your activity is created, simply tap Assign, select Class or Classes, tap Edit Students, Folders, and Skills, uncheck All Students, and select the student group you would like to assign the activity to. If your class is learning about place value in math, create differentiated activities based on student understanding and ability level. Some students may be working on place value in the hundreds, while others are ready to explore the thousands and millions place. Schedule the activities to be assigned to your Math Seesaw groups during Math Center time so all students are practicing the content at their own level. One last way to use student groups is to set up groups to support multilingual learners. Create Seesaw activities that include scaffolds for background and context and include audio and visuals for added language supports. Pro tip: whenever you create a Seesaw activity, just copy and edit to duplicate the activity and add your scaffolds and language supports. After assigning and having students complete their differentiated activities, easily track progress by group in the Progress tab. This is an easy way to monitor student progress in order to determine when to adjust your groups or instruction. In the Progress tab, filter in the Activities or Skills view by group. Just tap the Group's drop-down menu and select the group or groups to view their progress. Using student groups in Seesaw makes differentiation even easier. Easily assign scaffolded activities to meet all of your students' needs. Your challenge this week is to pick a content area and create student groups for that content area. Assign one activity to each group. Share the fun ways you use Seesaw on Twitter using the hashtag SeesawMeAMinute.